next, after completion of telophase 1, telophase 1 in meiotic first cell division, here you see two cells are formed. I told that two cells are secondary spermatocyte. Okay, this secondary spermatocyte, now it is entering into the second meiotic division. Okay, you see in second meiotic division, prophase 2. Okay, here the prophase 2, each of the cell you see that have nuclear membrane, nucleolus, okay, which consists of two chromatid in each cell. Okay, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, and two chromatid in each of the cell. Okay, you see this. After this, following by the metaphase 2. In the metaphase 2, as like that of the metaphase 1, meiotic 1 division. Here is also same process. Okay, in meiotic 2. Okay, in metaphase 2, these are same. These chromosomes which are lies in the equatorial plate. Okay, of the centromere of this chromosome, which connected to the spindle fiber, which is produced by the centriole in the opposite pole. Okay, here is the metaphase 2. Okay, next you see the anaphase. The spindle fiber of this opposite pole of the spindle fiber. Okay, which is pulling and giving the contraction towards the opposite pole. Okay, already here is the centromere in this chromosome. These two chromatids are attached together in centromere. Okay, that will be break off. Okay, now these two chromatid of this chromosome, here is the single chromosome, two chromatid, which are connected together in the centromere. It will be break off by pulling the spindle fiber. Okay, now this two chromatid which move towards the opposite pole. Okay, after the break of the centromere, already you see these two chromatid which are joined together in the centromere. Okay, centromere. Now by pulling this spindle fiber, centromere will become break off. Okay, the two chromatid which move towards the opposite pole. Okay, these two chromatid from this single chromosome. Now it is the single chromatid to move towards the opposite pole. Okay, in this stage of anaphase 2. Okay, now once moves towards the opposite pole, these two chromatid. Okay, next followed by the cytoplasmic constriction. Each of the cell you see cytoplasmic constriction takes place. Okay, after cytoplasmic constriction, okay, which deepens towards the inside the cytoplasmic constriction. Okay, two cell now form. Okay, two cell will be produced now. Okay, this cytoplasmic constriction which produce the two cell, cytoplasmic constriction which produce the two cell. Okay, each of the cell you see that is the telophase stage. Okay, in telophase stage, after coming the anaphase 2, anaphase 2. Chromatid move towards the opposite pole, cytoplasmic constriction takes place. Next coming the telophase, cytoplasmic constriction, two cells are formed. In telophase 2, you see two cells are formed from each of the single cell. Here is the single cell, here is the single cell which produces two cell. Okay, at last you see telophase stage, there are four cells are formed, four daughter cells are produced. It means what? In telophase you see each of the cell, okay, these are the cells which are formed from the meiotic 1 in the telophase stage. Okay, meiotic 1 telophase stage, you see there are two, meiotic 1 division telophase stage, you see there are two cells are produced. These two cells are which undergoes the second meiotic division, okay, to produce the, okay, each of the cell produces two cell. Totally you see 4 cell at the end of the meiotic. Okay, at the end of the meiotic division, there are 4 daughter cells are produced. These are the 4 daughter cells. Okay, the secondary spermatocyte formed from the first meiotic division. The secondary spermatocyte which undergoes the second meiotic division. Okay, produce the 4 daughter cells. Okay, each well carrying the single chromatid. Okay, this is the single chromosome, two chromatid. Single chromosome, two chromatid. Reduction division produces the single chromatid. This is also single chromosome but a single chromatid. Here is the 23N, 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 23N. Okay, from this cell, these are the what we could say spermatid. These are the spermatid. Okay, secondary spermatocyte converted into spermatid by second meiotic division. Each of the cell converted into each of the cell which produce the two cell, but the two cells we call as the spermatid. Okay, these two cells we call as the spermatid. Okay, these spermatid which possess the haploid set of chromosome. Okay, understand? Okay, secondary spermatocyte which produce the undergoes the meiotic division to produce each of the cell produce the two cells that are called spermatid, which possess the haploid set of chromosome. Okay, you see this spermatid after converted into spermatozoa or sperm, okay, which also haploid 23. Okay, next up, the process of formation of the spermatozoa from the spermatid is called spermiogenesis. Okay, this is spermatid converted into spermatozoa. This process is called, this phase is called maturation phase. We say maturation phase. Okay, understand? You see here, once again I will repeat you. You see spermatogenesis is the process of formation of spermatozoa from the testes. In the testes, semi-festivals are there. From the testes, you see germ cells are there. Germ cells which undergoes the mitotic division to produce the spermatogonia. Okay, spermatogonia also called sperm mother cell, which are diploid in position. Diploid in position. Okay, these cells are these cells which contains the maternal paternal chromosomes are there. Which maternal paternal chromosome is there. These are the chromosomes are homologous to each other. Okay, it is a diploid. Okay, n plus n to n. Okay. See, next you see this spermatogonia which enter into the growth phase, but means what? Increasing the size. By increasing size which enter into the growth phase. Okay, that's not the increasing size is the common. It is the increasing size means what? Growth phase. Okay, you see in this growth phase the size is increased. What we could say? Primary spermatocyte. Okay, but you see here single structure, single chromosome, but you see double structure, single chromosome, but two chromatid. Okay, here is the haploid, this is a haploid, maternal haploid, paternal haploid, totally is the diploid. But DNA is replicated. Okay, amount of DNA is the 4n. Okay, it's not. See, next see this primary spermatocyte which enter into the first meiotic division to produce a two cell, that is called secondary spermatocyte. Okay, by the reduction division, this is the haploid set, this is the haploid. Okay, so these two cells are haploid. Okay, next to see this secondary spermatocyte which enter into the second meiotic division, each of the cell which produce the two cell are called spermatid. Okay, that's not. This also haploid. Okay, that's not. Next to see this spermatid converted into spermatozoa. Okay, the process is called spermiogenesis. Okay, that is the maturation phase. Totally multiplication phase, growth phase, and the maturation phase. These are the three phases in the spermatogenesis. Okay.